The washer and dryer, nice and convenient on the top floor. And you have bedroom number 3, which our current tenant has built this very clever frame, and he's got his full-size mattress up here. Again, fan, skylight, 2 big windows on the corner here. You can fit easily a full-size or a queen-size bed. There's also a closet here. All the closets are roughly the same size, your standard closet, and you've got lots of height in there as well. We'll go back out here, and we have the smallest bedroom here, bedroom number 4, which in the past, people have also built platforms here, but you have a nice skylight, and you've got the fan, beautiful window here overlooking Howard Street. Of course, you also have the same size closet as everywhere else. And you can put a full-size bed, and we've had even people put queen beds in here. You've got the cathedral ceilings up here. The HVAC, central AC, or I'm sorry, the heating unit is up here. It's very convenient. And we'll go back downstairs to the main floor, and you can see where the central AC units are out here on the roof for easy access. And we're back to the main room. And hello, bye, folks. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.